Hey Scratchers! Today we're making a game that asks 3 questions and score your answers. First, make a variable called score to keep track of how many answers you get right, which I already have it here. But if you don't have it, you click make a variable. So now to create your question, then you get set score to 0 to reset your score every time when you click the green flag. And then get an ask block and then do whatever question you want. And then to make the answer to your question, get an if else block and get an equal sign operator and put the answer into the equal operator and then type what your answer to the question is. And then after when you are done with that, then you get a say block for 2 seconds. And then if the player gets it correct, then put it in the if section, say correct. But if it's incorrect, and then if the player gets it correct, then put the change score by 1 into the if section. Now to add 2 more questions, then simply just repeat all of that. But if you're on a computer, then you can right click the ask block and then press duplicate. And then you type your question again and your answer again. And then after you're done with your second question, then just repeat it again or duplicate it again. And then change your question and answer. After that, then you get a message block. And then you can just use message 1 or you can create a new message. And then when you receive message 1 or whatever your message is, then get a say block. This say block without a time. And get a join block and join your score is, and then don't forget to add a space here, score. After that, then you're done and you can test it out. And once you are done testing the quiz, then it'll say what your score is. So now you've made your own quiz game in Scratch. Try making your own questions and let me know how high your score is. Make sure to like and subscribe.